Hi, my name is Shreyasriti Acharya. I am a DST Inspire Fellow at Astrophysical and Space Plasma Lab, DASE, IIT Indore. The topic that I work on is multi-wavelength variability study of AGN jets. The relativistic jets are highly collimated plasma outflows, often seen in active galactic nuclei, AGNs, that lies in a direction perpendicular to the plane of underlying accretion disk. My work mainly deals with the following: studying the long-term and short-term variability properties of blazar jets through numerical simulations, physical processes responsible for the correlated and anticorrelated multi-wavelength emission, different magnetohydrodynamic instabilities and its impact on the observed emission features, understanding the magnetic field structures and the associated polarization activity. So the main objective of our work is to couple the dynamical model with the emission mechanism. The first project that we work on is to simulate a section of a jet by giving a kink mode perturbation and understand the emission features associated with this helical jet kind of structure through RMHT simulation. The left side of the movie shows the synchrotron intensity maps of a representative section of a jet that is perturbed with kink mode instability. The maps are generated at an observing frequency of nearly 10 to the power 15 Hz. So when viewed at a direction perpendicular to the jet axis with changing azimuthal angle. The combination of the kink with different angle supports the helical jet model. It showed that the emission is more from the portion coming towards the observer due to relativistic beaming and boosting effect, whereas it is less from the portion moving away from the observer. The right hand side, the plot shows the 2D slice of density of a representative section of a jet at the same time step as that of the intensity map. The intensity is enhanced at the high dense kinked region of the jet, and the high resolution relativistic MST simulations are performed using the open source Pluto code. Thank you.